What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got something special for you. I'm going to show you how I scored all these kits for under $100, 86 to be exact, through various shopping methods, stores, and online. I'm going to show you how I've compiled a little bit of a stash for fairly cheap. Deals are out there, you just got to know where to look. All right, let me begin by saying I'm not sponsored by any of these places, locations, websites, etc. that I'm about to talk about in this video. Let's start with the Hobby Lobby. Pretty much everybody knows that they have a 40% off sale every couple weeks, which makes these $30 models like 17 bucks. That's almost 2 for 1. And I snagged 2 of these big game country trucks because I like to kit bash, and I robbed them for the axles, suspensions, and tires that are in them. Which, you know, my logic is for $16 for a set of 4 tires and axles. And I figured out how to make axles and leaf springs from the sprues out of these kits as well. Ironically, the sprue that these are held in holds the same shape as the leaf springs. And I've got a kit that I'll link in the description below that I made the sub suspension completely out of scratch out of these kits. So 40% off makes them like $17 a piece. So I scored these 2 and this sweet Belvedere kit. If you haven't built one of these or haven't had the pleasure of it yet, I strongly suggest you get one. It not only comes with 2 complete motors, but it just assembles like a dream. I'll link in the description below some pictures that I've taken of one that I made, that I weathered, that everybody on Facebook seems to love. And then lastly, at Hobby Lobby, if you see a kit that's on the shelf that's been opened, take it up to the front. I got this one for an additional $5 off on top of the 40%, which made it like 15 bucks. Everything was there. I opened it up. It's all sealed bags. So I got pretty much all these kits for like $66. Deal. Absolute deal. I'll also briefly talk about the Hot Wheels monster trucks. These are Hot Wheels monster truck toys that I got these off of Amazon Warehouse, where you can find things that are substantially cheaper because the box has been damaged or whatever. I got 4 of these kits for $7, a 4-kit set. And what I'll do is I'll take the wheels out, the wheels out of the tires. Takes a little bit of soap and water and some oomph from some elbow grease. And they come out, and then you can cut them and then paint them up any color that you want, and they come out to look like, they almost look like a 35-inch mud tire. The directional mud tires, they're really cool. I've used that trick several times in the past. So I got all 4, basically that's about $2 a tire. Cannot beat that, especially when you consider I'm paying 16 bucks for a set of 4. So there you go. That's Hot Wheels, Amazon Warehouse, and Hobby Lobby. And we'll move on to the next. The next place that I'll frequent is Michael's. They have a 25% off coupon for online. They will give you a 20% off in store, and they also have markdowns. They also offer a senior discount for sure, but you can't stack the coupons or discounts. So I got these 2. They were marked down for 10 bucks. They were $9.99 a piece. So I got those 2 kits for 20 bucks. Deal. Absolute deal. And then this one I got for the 20% off. And then this one was also at 20% off, which I can't remember exactly how much it came out to. But all in all, I spent like $30 for these 4 kits. Absolute bargain. Absolute bargain. I strongly suggest that if you're in town, you're near Michael's, go in and look. Like I said, these 2 were on closeout, markdown, whatever, $9.99 a piece. I'm like, okay, I'll take them both. The next place being eBay, or some people like to refer to it as Evil Bay. I learned this trick from a fellow YouTuber who also has a Facebook group. Head over to Model Car Videos on YouTube and Model Car Videos Facebook group. Great group of guys. Mathew puts out some really good content. And I learned this trick through him, through his video of eBay has a make offer option. So I got these two kits. They were listed. I don't remember exactly how much, but I made an offer pretty cheap and the seller took it. They were opened box. The boxes were both kind of beat up, but you know, I don't build the box. I'm not a collector like that. If anything, I'll chop the lids off and use them for wallpaper. But they were both open box. One was open and complete. The other was sealed bags inside. I made an offer. The seller took the offer, and I got both of these shipped for 20 bucks, under 20. I think it was like 19 something. So, I mean, you cannot beat that. Absolute deal. Click make an offer, as long as it's not, you know, ridiculously low. A lot of times they'll take it. Again, I learned this trick from Mathew over at Model Car Videos. I'll put a link in the description to his channel as well as the Facebook group. Great channel, great content, great group, great people. I highly suggest you head over there and look. I'll link the description to that video of make an offer trick. And that, you know, again, really cool deal. I'm working on one of those right now. You can see in the background these Datsun kits. Because it was an older mold, an older kit, they're actually in really good shape. Total bargain. And last but most certainly not least, the Facebook online live auctions. I've recently discovered these, and man, I am hooked. They're dangerously addictive. Similar to the eBay make offer trick, have a cap. You know, tell yourself you don't want to spend too much during an auction or too much on a kit. And then watch the reactions of the other people in the groups. I'm not going to link any descriptions to those. You can go ahead and search those out yourself because I don't really want to promote anybody else's online pages. Other than obviously Mathew at the Model Car Videos. The auctions, like I said, are similar to the make offer. Watch how much people are spending, how much bids start at. If there's no interest, like for example, this Jaguar, when it came up, they started the bid at $5 and there was no interest whatsoever. I chimed in and said $5 and bam, the auction time ended and I got this for $5. Come on, you cannot beat that. Same with this one. This Lindbergh kit that a lot of people complain about. I don't really care so much about you know, fit and finish, because a lot of times I kit bash and make them into something they're not. I plan on putting some of those mud tires underneath this thing or making it a rusted out barn find, but whatever. The bid started at $5, nobody bit, and I got that one for $5. Similar with this old Raffle, because the box is beat up, it was open box, some sealed bags. You know, the kits are mostly all there, but I got that one for, I want to say like $15. And same with this Jeep, because it was an old kit, the box is kind of beat up. You know, a lot of people don't want that. They want the pristine quality. I got this one for like $20. I can't remember exactly, but man, sold. And then this one was a win for one of the groups. Has a raffle at the end where if you buy a kit, like for example, I bought this group, I bought some rebuilders, which these auctions are also a great place for that, for parts, rebuilders, etc. I'll drop a picture in right here of the rebuilders that I bought. I got both of these kits for like, I don't know, $6. You know, who cares? They're soaking in a bath of LA Awesome right now, and I'm going to try to rebuild. But because I bought those kits, I got 2 tickets. You get a ticket for every kit that you buy, and at the end of the auction, I won this. So that's basically free. So there you go. That's going to wrap it up for how to save $1 or $2. Some tricks on where and how to do that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, thumbs up, all that kind of stuff. It really does help the channel. And again, head over to Model Car Videos and check out some of his stuff. Thanks again for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.